The Somerset Patriots and Sugar Land Skeeters towed off in a day-night doubleheader Wednesday, with Camp Day leading things off at 11:05 a.m. Over 6,000 fans attended the early game, but the Patriots' offense was stymied throughout, dropping the 7-inning affair by a score of 6-1. It was later Baseball Heritage Night to cap off the doubleheader, as the Patriots honored 4 former players in attendance before the game. On the field, Somerset grabbed an early 2-0 lead, highlighted by a David Vidal RBI single.
The 0-2. Ground ball up the middle. This sneaks through for a base hit. Scoring from third, it's Michael Jones. They're sending Eggleston. Now they hold him up. He scurries back into third. But it's a go-ahead RBI single for David Vidal. And the Patriots draw first blood. They lead 1-0 here in the first.
After Sugar Land briefly regained the lead in the top of the second, it was the Patriots once again on top after the bottom of the third.
The 1-2 with runners in scoring position. Somerset down a run in the third. This ball's laced in the left field for a base hit. It'll tie the game. Vidal has to stop at third. Ferris stands up and scores. There's the signature Somerset moment for Brian Van Kirk. Evens the score at 3 here in the third. Go ahead run on third. The 1-2. It's laced into right center field. Down for a base hit. Patriots grab the lead. Cutting it off, it's Rene Tassoni. And wide banana turn around first, but Gonzalez holds right there. 2 out, 2 strike. Great piece of hitting by the backstop Jovan Gonzalez. Somerset has itself a 4-3 lead here in the third.
Unfortunately for Somerset, 3 runs by Sugar Land in the top of the 7th inning would propel them back in front as the Patriots dropped this one by a score of 6-4.